Adipose tissue, fat, good fat, bad fat, obesity. All of it is related to each other. Let's check out how. What's adipose tissue? It's a layer of fat cells at different locations of your body, most abundant one being right under your skin, called subcutaneous fat. Other places of fat deposits are vital organs like around heart, muscles, liver, stomach, and in and around bone marrow. What does it do? It keeps the body temperature constant no matter what the outside temperature is. It cushions the vital organs against any shock. It acts as energy repertoire as well as source. Heat production, maintaining the right amount of glucose and cholesterol in blood, and immunity are also important aspects of fat layer. But that's not all. Adipose tissue has its own complexity. It is of 3 types based on color. Not to sound racist, but they are called white, beige, and brown. Each one has its own job to do, which they can interchange as and when required. White adipose tissue stores fat and acts as energy repository. Beige stores lesser fat but can produce heat and energy when stimulated. Brown stores least fat content and always produces heat and energy to maintain the homeostasis or balance in our body. But how do they do that? Because of the energy powerhouse mitochondria. Each type has different number of mitochondria. White has least, beige moderate, and brown the highest. Therefore, it produces maximum energy. So what happens in obesity? There's excess of white adipose tissue deposit in the body that only stores fat but does not contribute towards energy production. Obesity is a lifestyle disorder that can be passed on from generation to generation. Therefore, it's as common in children as in adults. But is that the only body type that is harmful? To know more about a body type that looks normal from outside but is extremely dangerous from the inside, stay tuned.